This video will guide you through reviewing an investment subscription agreement. Investment Subscription Agreement Review is a frequently requested service on the Contracts Council platform since investors and companies want to understand the terms before signing. If you have received an investment subscription agreement and need to review it, then this video is for you. Before we start, just a brief disclaimer. The following information is provided for educational purposes and in no way constitutes legal advice. For legal advice, we encourage you to consult a licensed attorney. We have also provided more information in the description, including how to find a lawyer. We will cover top considerations when reviewing an investment subscription agreement, key terms to find and understand in your document, costs to hire a lawyer for review. We have also added a link in the description below with information on legal fees. Now let's get started. Top considerations for investment subscription agreements. Investment subscription agreements are legally binding documents that outline the terms under which an investor agrees to purchase shares or equity from a company. Before diving into specific terms, here are some top considerations to keep in mind. Investment details. Ensure the agreement clearly outlines the investment amount, type of equity being purchased, and the price per share or unit. Investor rights. Understand the rights granted to the investor, including voting rights, dividend rights, and any special privileges. Compliance with laws. Ensure the agreement complies with relevant local, state, and federal laws, especially securities regulations. Representations and warranties. Review the representations and warranties provided by both the company and the investor to ensure they are accurate and comprehensive. Consider hiring a lawyer. It is always recommended to hire a lawyer to help review an investment subscription agreement. They can ensure the document is legally compliant, help you understand industry standard terms, and coach you on negotiations. We have included a link in the description to help you find one. Key terms to understand. Investment subscription agreements contain many important terms that you should understand. Here are some key terms to look for. 1. Parties involved. Ensure that the names and details of both the company and the investor are correctly stated. Make sure the full legal names of the individuals or entities are used. 2. Investment amount. Review the investment amount, type of equity being purchased, and the price per share or unit. Ensure these match your discussions. 3. Investor rights. Understand the rights granted to the investor, including voting rights, dividend rights, and any special privileges such as anti-dilution protection or preemptive rights. 4. Use of funds. Check how the company intends to use the funds raised from the investment. 5. Representations and warranties. Review the representations and warranties made by both the company and the investor, including statements about the company's financials, business operations, and legal status. 6. Subscription agreement conditions. Understand any conditions that must be met for the investment to proceed, such as regulatory approvals or milestone achievements. 7. Exit strategy. Ensure the agreement outlines the conditions under which the investor can exit the investment, including any lockup periods and transfer restrictions. 8. Liability and indemnification. Review the liability and indemnification clauses to understand each party's responsibilities and protections in case of losses or damages. And 9. Dispute resolution. Review the methods for resolving disputes related to the agreement, such as mediation, arbitration, or court litigation. Average costs to hire a lawyer. Hiring a lawyer to review your investment subscription agreement is advisable. Contracts Council's marketplace allows you to post your project and receive competitive bids from lawyers to compare. Based on recent data, the average cost to review an investment subscription agreement is $580 on a flat fee basis. This is based on dozens of recent projects from across various U.S. states. Legal fees can vary based on the following factors. State or location. Lawyer fees may vary based on where they are located. For example, a lawyer in New York City will likely have a higher rate than a lawyer in Tulsa, Oklahoma. Length of contract. Given lawyers traditionally bill by the hour, a longer contract with more pages will require more of their time, which can make the legal costs higher. Complexity of terms. If there are complicated terms in the agreement, it can increase legal fees since it will require the lawyer to spend more time working on the project. Service required. You can hire lawyers for different services. If you simply need the contract reviewed and explained, this will be a lower fee than also needing the contract redlined and negotiated. Reviewing an investment subscription agreement is crucial in ensuring you understand all the terms of the investment and protecting your rights accordingly. If you need help from an experienced lawyer, feel free to search Contracts Counsel or visit contractscounsel.com and post a job to get quotes from lawyers to help you. Thanks for watching.